Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this kind of simple look, I guess. I did it using this Super Neutrals palette by the Haus Labs or Lady Gaga's cosmetic line. As you can see, like, the colors are very pretty. I really like these shimmer ones over here, but I always try to push myself to use more mattes, but as you can see, I always fail at it because if you put glitter in a palette, I'm always gonna be drawn to it and I'm gonna end up using it. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. First, we're gonna start off by moisturizing our lips using this Fenty Skin Plush Pudding Lip Recovery Mask, and this is in the shade Barbados Cherry. And it is like a twist cap. And on the bottom, you twist it to get product out. So it's coming out right there. And now I have too much product out, but that's okay. Maybe I'll end up using it all anyways. Oh, and it smells pretty good, like cherries. Oh, damn. This stuff is thick. So it does feel a little thick on my lips, but that's normal for like a recovery lip mask. Hopefully it does a pretty good job because my lips have been terrible. And now to prep my skin for foundation, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty water jelly primer. And I'm going to mix that up with this Outset Nourishing Daily Moisturizer. And next I'm going to be using this Kat Von D Good Apple foundation, and this is in the shade 051. And what I like about this foundation is that a little bit goes a really long way, so I feel like it's very good if you're trying to save money on foundation, because you really just need like a very little bit of this on your face. And for concealer, I'm going to be applying this KKW one, and this is in the shade number 5. And for contour, I'm going to be using this bronzing stick by Rare Beauty in the shade Happy Soul. And now I'm going to set that all in with this Huda Beauty Banana Bread powder. And now I'm going to prime my lids using this Rare Beauty eye primer. And now I'm gonna go in and use this Haus Labs eyeshadow palette by Lady Gaga, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here and then apply it all over my lids. So I don't really know what I want to do today, but I guess I'm just gonna grab this one and apply it to the crease. And I'm gonna kind of flick it out a little bit. And I think now I'm gonna put this one in the middle, like all over the lid. It has like a very nice like rose goldish glitter to it, so I'm just gonna put that on there. And I think I'm actually gonna wet the brush first to apply the shade better, and this is a MAC Fix Plus Gold Light. And then now I think I kind of want to line my eyes with this dark brown shade right here, so I'm just going to try and do that. And I'm also going to line my waterline with the same brown eyeshadow. And then now I'm going in with this Il Maquillage liquid liner, and I'm just going to make my cat eyes with it, and this does have a felt tip. And now I'm gonna brush off the translucent powder using this MAC Studio Fix in the shade C3. And now I'm gonna bronze up my face using this Physicians Formula bronzer. And for blush today, I'm gonna be using this Gwen Stefani one, and I think I'm gonna be using this top one right here. And by the way, these smell so good. They kind of remind me of like the Benefit ones, the ones that came in like little cubes, like this one for example. Doesn't smell as fruity as this one, but it's like a very, very good smell. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Artist Couture, and this is in the shade Hot Damn. And for brows, I'm going to be using this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Black. And I think I actually want to do some lashes today, but nothing too crazy. So I'm going to be using these Ardell Demi Wispies. And I also forgot to mention, I didn't connect my eyeliner all the way to the inner part of my eye. I stopped it halfway, and I kind of like how it looks. I just always struggle with keeping it in the middle and not letting it continue towards the inner part of my eye. But I really like how it looks so far. While I wait for my lashes to dry, which I think I kind of messed up because not only did I use black glue, which kind of defeats the purpose of not lining this inner part right here, and I feel like you could see the glue. I kind of this part of the lash kind of stuck wrong, and so now I got black glue right there, but I'm hoping that once I curl them, you could barely see it. So anyways, moving on with the lips, I'm going to be using these Makeup Forever liquid mattes. And this is in the shade Toffee at All Hours. And this one's Endlessly Blushed. And so I'm going to try them on to see how they look. And the applicator is actually made of foam. That's kind of different. So this one is Toffee at All Hours, and then this one is Endlessly Blushed. They kind of look the same, except Endlessly Blushed is a little bit on the pinker side, and I think that's the one I'm gonna end up going with. But now I'm gonna dab off the excess lip mask that I had on from earlier, and my lips actually feel very soft right now. So I don't know how I feel about that foam applicator. I feel like it's very chunky, and I feel like it kept getting on my teeth too, my front teeth, because I don't know, it was just too thick. But yeah, I'd say the lipstick itself is very durable. It dried off completely, and I don't have any transfer whatsoever. Plus my dog literally just scratched me in the mouth right now, which freaking hurt, but it didn't budge. I don't see any lines of lipstick that went down on my chin, so that's a pretty good sign. Oh, Jesus, what's with you people? I'm putting your fucking paws in my mouth. It is obviously it's a liquid matte lipstick, so it's gonna be pretty dry. If you like that, I kind of tend to go more for a moisturizing lipstick, but this is also a pretty cute color and lipstick, so especially if you want something matte to go with a very sparkly eyeshadow, right? Also, I have both of my puppies on my lap right now, but now that my lash glue has set on both of my eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and bind the real lashes with my fake ones. And now I'm gonna apply this MAC Stack mascara, and this is the Black Stack mascara. This is a non-waterproof one, and I gotta say, I love the waterproof one, but I love this one just as much. I don't know what it is about this mascara, but I feel with the wand and the formula itself, even though this one is a regular one, I feel it really lifts up your lashes. I use a waterproof one normally because I like how it makes my lashes stay up all day long, but this one is just as good. Oh my god. So I just realized that when my freaking dog... Oh my god. when my dog scratched me in the mouth, she actually dragged some of it into my hair. But anyways guys, here's the completed look. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!